အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါ Welcome to Web Design Basics online class. In this lesson, we're going to learn about CSS3. So today's topic is only theory. So please listen carefully. So CSS was initially released in December 17, 1996. It was 23 years ago. It was developed by W3C. It's called World Wide Web Consortium. So this is the latest version of CSS. It is only compatible with IE9. In here, IE9 means Internet Explorer 9 and not with older version of browsers. The more you code, the more you will learn about CSS3. But there is one thing to know. You cannot master CSS3 unless you know about CSS. So please make sure you already know about CSS. Okay. So CSS3 bring a lot of long-awaited novelties like rounded corner, shadow, gradient, transition, or animation, as well as new layout like multi-column, flexible vault, or grid layout. CSS3 ကနေပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ကို new feature တွေခေါ်လာခဲ့ပြီလေ။ဒါကြောင့်မို့လို့ CSS3 ကိုကျွန်တော်တို့သုံးရတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ CSS3 ကဒါ latest version ဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ So look at what they bring. Okay. သူဘာတွေယူလာခဲ့လဲဆိုတာကိုကြည့်ကြမယ်။သူရဲ့ new features တွေကဘာတွေလဲဆိုတော့ဒါတွေဖြစ်တယ်။ပထမတစ်ခုအပြင်ပြောမယ်ဆိုရင် shadowing နော် We can put shadow to our text, to our image. This is the also new features of CSS3. And then border image. This is also new feature. We can put border with the image, and then we can make rounded corner. Without CSS3, we can only make rectangle. We can only make rectangle box. Okay, and the next feature is 2D transform, multi background. We can put multi background to our web page, and then we can create 2D transform and 3D transform. And then we can also put gradient color. And then the latest one is animation. We can move objects one place to other. So in the coming video, I will going to discuss about this topic. So that is all for introduction of CSS3. Thank you for watching.